Ready to ditch the awkward iOS and finally get paid back with the magic of Apple Pay? First, ensure your friend has actually sent you the payment. The most common way they'll do this is through iMessage. Look for a message from them containing the Apple Pay Cash Card icon. Right within the message, you should see the amount they sent you and an accept button. Tap that enticing accept button. This will whisk you away to your wallet app here. You'll likely see the transaction pending on your Apple Pay Cash Card. Give it a moment. Apple Pay is verifying the transaction to keep your money safe and sound. Once verified, the payment will appear as part of your available balance on your Apple Pay Cash Card. Congrats, you've been paid. Now you can use that money anywhere Apple Pay is accepted. Transfer it to your bank account, or even send it to another friend who needs a little help. To transfer your money to your bank, tap the three dots in the upper right corner of your Apple Pay Cash Card within the Wallet app. Then, select Transfer to Bank. Enter the amount you want to transfer and follow the on-screen instructions. It's usually a quick and easy process, and that's all there is to it. No more chasing after cash, just simple, secure Apple Pay payments. For more Apple Pay tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe.